introduction. As you mentioned, I did graduate from Hostos many months ago. Please do not look up pictures or count. This was one of the rooms where I started to add tools to my toolkit, right? I joined the Leadership Academy probably freshman, sophomore year, I don't remember, Jason can figure it out. And it was the space that I called home. It was the space where we were able to build community. It was the space where I was able to show up as my full self and truly express my identity, but also explore what my leadership pathway would be. When I joined Hostos, I wanted to be a dentist. Jason said, nice try. We're going to go a different route. And here we are. I was fortunate enough to take advantage of the many service-focused activities at Hostos. I joined the Model UN team, Model Senate, went off, graduated from Hunter with a degree in political science with focus in international relations. Also did the Model UN thing there, that was dope. And actually went on to start my career in international affairs at the UN. So for those of you who are interested in joining the Model UN team, really understand just how valuable it is to speak the UN lingo, because it's not a skill that unless you have international experience, you would have picked up elsewhere. So it's something that's super valuable if you're thinking about going into international affairs. That's a great place to start. I then segued from international affairs into civic engagement, where I supported the civic engagement of our New York City youth. And then was poached by local government, where I worked for the Manhattan Borough President for about a little over 2 years as part of her community engagement or community affairs team. And I was a representative for the Upper East Side and East Harlem. I now am the Dominican Olivia Pope. Just kidding.
I was really glad.
Yes! Do it for me. So yeah, what I currently do is I support young leaders who want to explore careers in policy, advocacy, and elected leadership. In essence, I'm a political coach. So I groom people to run for office, and I groom people for careers in policy, advocacy, and community organizing. So I am going to steal some materials from my day-to-day life and some of my coaching sessions, and I'm going to bring it over to you all as you start to think about what it means to be civically engaged in your local communities, or even if you're thinking about careers in one of those 4 pathways. But before we begin, I don't have a clicker, so you're going to excuse me. I want to bring out the goals and objectives. Do I have a volunteer to read out the goals and objectives? Yes, please.
This session gives participants an overview of the New York City political landscape, who the key stakeholders are in the city, and how decisions are made. Participants will develop an understanding of local level advocacy bodies, how to identify the local needs, and how to get involved on local policy issues and communities. Participants will have a shared definition of policy and a working knowledge of policymakers.
Thank you very much. So also, the Leadership Academy are really focused on leadership through service, right? And you're going to hear a lot of folks tell you, well, you need to get involved, you need to know your community, you need to get out there, you need to do the thing. But before we do all that, we need to know what is the community made up of? How does the city even operate? If I think about service, where do I serve? There are issues that I care about, but how do I get involved, right? You don't want to just take shots out in the wild, right? You want to know how the city operates for your own purposes as a citizen, as an informed citizen, but also as an advocate for the issues that you care about. That's the serious stuff. But I want us to get a little warmed up. I know you're doing the Tai Chi and all that yummy stuff. We're going to come back and I'm going to ruin all of that relaxation. I want you to follow me. We're just going to do a quick warm up. You may want to leave your breakfast behind. And I am on a timer, so work with me, y'all. Now. Oh, come on. All right, everybody. Now, I want you to stand next to a partner. Pick your partner. Partner is to your left or to your right. Here we go. There you go. And we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. This is a very sophisticated game. It is a very sophisticated game. So here are the rules, right? Oh, you are ready. I want you to demonstrate. What is your name, sir? Maurice. What is your name? Clara? Kiara.
Yes.
All right, so I want you to go ahead. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won.
You won. So now, what I'm gonna do is, we gotta let it go, bro. It's all right. It's all right. It's not, it has nothing to do with your character, but she just did beat you. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shout Kiara. You're gonna come on her side, and we're gonna shout Kiara, Kiara. Now, whoever won on this team, now you're gonna bow to Kiara. And then we're gonna rally behind whoever wins until there are only 2 people. And at the end, you get a donut, all right? There's no donut. A muffin, all right? So grab your partners. Does everybody understand the rules of the game?
Yes.
Does everybody understand how rock, paper, scissors works?
Yes.
Anybody who does not know how rock, paper, scissors works? All right, so who can help me explain?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock. Okay, so it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot, right? So what is it? Rock, scissors, rock, paper.
Rock,
Scissors,
scissors,
get paper?
Okay.
Rock. Rock, smash, scissors.
All right, now give away some money, right?
Good luck to you. All right. You have 5 minutes and go. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. All right, now go.
And what would you?
Anthony wanted Joshua once.
So we go against another person that won?
Now,
Who's our cheer from this side?
I'm lost in the term of what I do next.
You come to this side.
oh, okay.
Who are Jeff from this side?
I'm over here.
You won the last one.
He's a winner.
Who's the last battle, Josh?
So who's the last battle?
I hear Joshua the winner.
He got the battle. You are?
Oh, wait, no.
Who are you?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, so you have to bow him. Oh. Joshua!
I'm gonna go. That's a great move. What did you shoot?
Everybody else, now we can push a battle. So you're a winner.
Got it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.